Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today my fidget drawer is very messy and very unorganized. Well, it's kind of organized, but not that well. So, I thought today, since I'm bored, I could reorganize it. So, I have a bunch of fidgets that were on my floor today, so they're right here. Now let's dump all the rest of my fidgets out. First my squishies, and then I'm going to have bins right here. This mirror, this is so smooth. This is so smooth. I love it. I use it as like a texture fidget. Alright, now all my pops. This fidget cube is super bad right now, so I'm just going to throw that over there. Ew, socks. I don't know how socks get down there. Sometimes my sister sleeps in here. Oh, my globbles. Other stress balls. Oh my gosh, guys. I have so many. I've never ever actually seen all my fidgets piled up. Also, guys, this is not a fidget. These both are not really fidgets, but I just use them in here. Also, guys, I really like this. It's a stretchy ring. I found it, and I broke off one of my brother's things. And I was like, hey, this would be a perfect fidget. And I think it's great for school because it's stretchy and it's stylish. So pretty. Going into the pile. Now all the little fidgets. That's a lot. Now some other fidgets. I think I should reorganize my mochis. And then the rest of my balloons. I don't have many left. Wait! Mochi. Sorry guys, it's super dark in here, but I forgot that I left one of my favorite mochis in here. I only have 4, and this is like probably my second favorite. I love this one. And it's brand new. I literally got it when I got like my fidget pack. My different. Okay. So, this is all of my fidgets. It's so weird. It looks so much more than it does when it's organized. Well, let's get to organizing. Little globe, you're supposed to be over here. I also have 2 squishmallows. Let's get started. Okay, so this is super unorganized, so we're going to organize it. I only have this giant bin. So let's get to organizing. In here, I want to keep my stress balls. In here, I want to keep my stress balls and softies. And homemade tangles, because I have a lot of those. Let's get started. So, I think I'm also going to put this in here. Okay, well, Slinky. But I got these Slinkies from Dollar Tree for $1. Both of them were in a pack. So, yeah. Guys, I love globbles, but these ones especially get so dirty and disgusting. And they're super hard to get down from when you put them on the ceiling. Alright, now let's add my other stress balls. Here's my rice. Oh my gosh, this is so messy. My beads in water, you can see the beads, they're very chunky. And I have 1 more stress ball. And my rice. Another rice. Okay, I thought, oh wow. Okay, well, this pack is done. I think I'm going to add a couple extras because it should be full a little bit more. So I'm going to add my rings. First, the stretchy ring. Next, these really nice acupuncture rings. Let's put them in this side. I have 3. And I think I should add my other type of rings. all these. And I think I have one more ring type. I guess I don't, so whatever. This is so heavy, you guys. Alright, sorry guys, it's really, really good. How do I bring this up? Alright, I think I'm going to want to put this right up here where I put all my poppers. This is where I stored a lot of my smaller fidgets. But here I'm storing my rings, my slinkies, the textures, and all my stress balls. I have a bunch of stress balls. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's already been 6 minutes. Okay. Well, let's do the next bin. Okay, so here is the next bin. I was going to put everything that pops in here. First is this hexagon rainbow poppet. These are all my real things first. Actually, I'm going to put them all in last so I can reach them easier. Alright, first I'm going to put all my homemade simple dimples. I have a lot. This was a fail because it's duct tape and it did not work. I have another one, but I cheated it. So let's just, I think I have some more. Yeah, I have this one. And I know I have one more. I have one more. Oh, I found it. It was under my dimple. Okay, now let's get started on this. So next is this heart poppet. This is so nice, guys. I love this one. I actually made it. And then this other one that I made is a pineapple. Yes, I made both of these by myself on my own. And actually, I had the idea up. It kind of looks like water right here, but actually it's just my fan glaring. Okay. Now my hexagon rainbow poppet. All my poppets, my real poppets are rainbow. And this one is the best. This one's the sturdiest. And the best popper. Like, that's the good side. And this is the bad side. This one's pretty loud on both sides. So it's really good. It gets a 10 out of 10. These both ones, my hexagon and my square, both get 9 because they're really, really slippery. Plus, this one was way more expensive and much better quality. Okay, so then my square rainbow poppet. And last but not least, my dimple. I love my dimple. I love my dimple so much, guys. Guys, if you guys see a dimple, go get it. It is the best. I definitely recommend. So now we have this bin left over in all of these. So yeah, let's get started. Now I'm going to do all my smaller fidgets as I did in this one, but it didn't fit that well. I'm also going to be doing balloons, mochis, and that's it. So let's get started. First, we're going to put in this, then this. Then I'm picking out all my homemade tingles. I have a bunch of homemade tingles. Homemade, oh my gosh. I don't have any tingles, but I really, 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 really want one, but I don't have any. Okay, now this little popper thing. And this, I don't know, hair tie. And this clip. I love this. Now we got all of this. Okay, I'm gonna take all my mochis out of the Ziploc bag. Alright, that was a little difficult to do with one hand, but we got it. Ignoring all my mochis. I only have 4. I would have way more, but I lost 2. I lost my elephant. I love my elephant. Oh, this kind one guy does not want to go. And I guess I lost my squirrel. I thought it was a jumbo, but I guess it wasn't. So my brother totally scammed me because I gave him like my favorite. It was my It was my shark. I really, really love that shark. Oh my gosh. Okay, got it out. Alright, goodbye bag. I'm gonna throw that out later. Alright, now my snap and click or wacky track, whatever you want to call it. I'm not defending you. I call it a wacky track, but I also on camera say snap and click / wacky track usually, or I usually say, or I say snap and click or wacky track, whatever you want to call it, is what I usually say. Next is this like duct tape thing. I don't really know what it is, but I think it's like a remote thing, and it has like beads, curler beads, like literally, not those, but like the same beads in this bag right here, and it's actually quite nice. It has like really nice texture to it. Next, this marble mesh. I love this, but it's really hard. Someone went away. Next, a bunch of balloons. 2 monkey noodles. My homemade ASMR bars. Oh man, this one broke. Oh, I really like this one. Bummer. This one's so good. Even has a little stitching cup. And this one. We have some more. Another mochi. This sizzler, which is really fun. Ooh, this guy is going in here. And I think that is going to be it for this tray. Guys, we've barely filled up this. Okay, we only have a few more fidgets. So let's do this, the cube. Next, how about this? Okay, now all my squishies. I do count this as squishy because it's pretty squishy, and yeah, it's really, really soft and easy squish. Going in there. Bye, guys. These are all my fidgets, not lying. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that subscribe button. And guys, I need you guys to get me up to 20 subscribers, and we will do a giant haul and maybe a giveaway. So bye.